How to file tax return in Canada using Wealthsimple Tax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to wealthsimple.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to gather all of your tax documents beforehand. Then on this page, click on the tax option. Here, you want to select your profile or create one. Then the next step is to enter all of your personal information. So go ahead and enter details such as your first name, middle name, last name, social security number, date of birth. After personal information is entered, next step is to fill your return. You can use autofill my return option. If you have a CRA My Account, Wealthsimple can import your tax slips automatically. For that, click Import Tax Slips and sign into your CRA account. If you don't use autofill, you can manually enter your employee income, self-employment income, investment income, and government benefits. Then add your deductions and credits. After that, you want to check for tax refund or amount owed. Now, once you review all of your return, you want to click Submit with Net File option to send it directly to CRA. You will receive a confirmation number once successfully filed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.